Now I'm going to the Publix, which is located on the 203 Northwest 13th Street, Gainesville, Florida, and it's called the Publix. Okay, now we go to enter the Publix store. We can see the steak is preserved by the plastic wrap on the refrigeration shelf. Okay, now I'm gonna cook. So firstly, I will introduce the ingredients. So firstly, I will use the steak. I will use all of them. This is a ton $19 per pound, and here is roughly $9.8 for one plastic bag. As this is and this one is the asparagus. I will use half of them this time, and for the asparagus is $3.14 per bunch. So half of them is like $1.6. And I will also use the black pepper, salt, with olive oil, and butter for the adding another flavor. I will also use the garlic. Firstly, we turn the fan on the highest level, and then put the pan on it. Then add the olive oil. I will not add the butter in the first because the boiling point of the butter is very low, so it might be like turn black very soon due to the like high temperature. But if we use the olive oil first and then like add the butter later, when the temperature is not that high, so we can like both have the like the butter's flavor, and instead of getting like black of it. After heating it for a while, we add the garlic. Heating it to make the garlic is totally cooked, and also make sure its flavor just releases to the oil. When the garlic turns to this color, we can take it out. Add around this big of the butter into the pan. Add the steak into the pan. Taking the oil out on the steak. Since it is a red meat product, which is known to be from the intact, and its muscles should be cooked to an internal temperature to 145 degrees at the internal. Add the asparagus.
to clean the dishes, we need to use the antibiotic, bacterial stuff to clean it, and with the tap water. And to preserve the food, if we have anything left, we can put them in the refrigeration part with the pan, and if like this can be put in the refrigeration part like in 3 days, but if it is like longer than that, we should put it in the freezing part.